What to do after you printed all the test files that were on the SD card or USB thumb drive. Where to get some inspiration to print on your 3D printer because you are started and you want to get more. Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 5 amazing sites that you can use to get your STL files and start getting some amazing prints out of your 3D printer. Let's get right in. The first one in the row is Thingiverse, the site where I started all my 3D printing journey with. Thingiverse is by Ultimaker. I can understand why most people are choosing Ultimaker Thingiverse in order to get their STL files from. Some very nice, cool ideas to go to. Very cool. Every day or every so many days, maybe every week, they share brand new models on their site. You can find here the most popular things for the last 7 days, for example, an AT-AT from Star Wars, articulated from Fab 365, a very good designer, very popular as well. So this is how it looks like in the navigation. So you use the arrows to go through the whole set of pictures or maybe 3D files. So for the basic things on Thingiverse, you have the pictures next to it, and also how the file will look like. Then you get the thing details. There are in total 9 files. Nobody did upload it and make. In the things details, yeah, you have the summary, you have a text. Depends on the designer how much time and energy he or she puts in it to write the whole thing. You click on download all files, and then after this you will get the download, and you are going to download it right onto the place where you want to put your STL files to. So there are a lot of files, different categories as well. Here you find all the categories for each type of model that you are going to do. You can all find it on Ultimaker Thingiverse. Let's go to the next one. The next one, this is Printables, a very cool website that I use on almost daily basis because it is a very nice and clear site. The first thing that you see here is contest. Printables always holds a different kind of contest, especially for the designers, you know, to challenge themselves to make something. Featured models. Here are some highlighted models. There are even more, or the low poly Snorlax Pokemon by Flowastic. There are a lot of featured models. Then we have also Discover Creators Clubs. These are the exclusive memberships where you pay a monthly fee to and you get some exclusive models. Here featured store models, a nice Fix'em Dude, print in place semi-truck, maybe even a chassis for your PC. This is the homepage from Printables. But if you are going for, you know, inspiration, explore models, and then you have the most trending new uploads, downloads, makes, likes. Okay, so how does it work? Just like Thingiverse, you select a model. I'm going to right click, and then here when you click on the picture you can scroll through the model. There's also a 3D environment so that you can see how the model looks like. Also here details, you can read what it says. How does it work? There are files here. You have the possibility, if there are more, to download every single one, but you can also click on all model files, 2 megabytes, and then you can download it. Here also makes and comments, and here you can see exactly that people are also uploading the makes. So that is pretty cool. It's a nice way to also support the designer that way, so that he or she knows exactly like, hey, people like this model. So the next one, thanks, with a G, not with a K. Not thanks, but thanks. The first thing that you see here on the site are the thanks memberships. You can become a member here, getting some exclusive models for every month payment. But the cool thing of thanks is, if you are going for example, this is something that I want to mention here. Here you can search on thanks like low poly Pikachu, and you see exactly where the title and which kind of site. So here it's not all thanks, it's Printables, Thingiverse, My Mini Factory, can be different kind of websites. So if I click on here, it will bring you exactly where a model is found. So let's find some models. Just like on Printables, you have here highlighted models, also basically on Thingiverse. Here, this is trending. This guy here, it is trending. You want a helmet? You want that? Okay, but how does it work? You need to pay attention because thanks has this mixed, you know, it's not all free. You need to check the icons. So for example, here we have a iPad stand holder, the likes, the bookmarks, and the downloads. So if you want to download this iPad stand, click on the download, wait on it, and then it will bring you to your files. You can just put it on the place where you put your STL files. So if you scroll a little bit further, I've got this nice helmet. I want to print it, you know, it's fine. 67 likes, you can bookmark it. But you have also this dollar sign. So meaning if I click on it, I can only get it if I become a member or pay $20 for it. If you want to get free STL files, personalize, and then you choose for models free and then apply. So now you will get only the free STL files. So this is MakeWorld. MakeWorld is from Bamboo Labs. It's just around for 1 year, maybe 1.5 years by now. Also starting with the design contest kind of thing. Here you have different kind of categories where you can find models. Model contests as well here. Maybe they had some inspiration from somewhere. Featured models. Here also from Pyro Design. Very cool. This has to do with, you know, frames per second and spinning motion. Very cool. So you have here also a lot of very cool, very nice, well-designed models that you can download and print on your 3D printer. Just like on printables, if you have a Prusa, you can get also pre-sliced models. Just like here on MakeWorld, very nice. If you have a Bamboo Labs P1P or P1S or an X1C, you can directly go and find pre-sliced model directly for your 3D printer and just send it over. If you are a brand new user, you want to explore more, you will find here a lot of models. These are the featured models. So for example, articulated orca. Now in this case, it is a single color or in multicolor. If you are going to print something for your Bamboo Labs 3D printer that has the AMS, then you can get the multicolor version. If you click on it, this is how it looks like. And here on the right hand side, you have printer profiles for your Bamboo Labs 3D printer. You can also download it directly here or raw models. Here you have the description, every information that is needed. The whole story is standing right over here. I cannot do any downloads if I click on here. So you need to make an account if you are going to use MakeWorld. Let's go for the next one. Cults 3D, also a STL sharing site, but here this looks way different than you used to see on the other sites. Yeah, so advertisements as well to get the site paid, and you know the time and effort people will put in there. This one thing, if you go here to all, of course I think you want to have 3 models, right? Free, and here you will find all free models, because Cults 3D you can get files, but most of the time you need to pay for that. Here you get the models. So for example, if we are going for something that looks like Batman or here Mario Kart, we click on it, and here you have the picture. Download, it is free, so make sure that it is a free model. Here, like, add to a certain bookmark, share it, maybe share it on Twitter, share it on other sites or other socials. So if you click on download your files, the options, download files, and then it will bring you to the location where you want to, you know, download the files to. Some more publication, so the license, Cults, private use, very clear. This is from the designer. This is who it designed. One design, 381 downloads, 1 like design, and 10 followers. Some more models to check out here. This is a Tiger Hue Forge. Very nice. It is a multicolor print. You can print it on a single extruder printer or on a bamboo, but here in the 3D model description you will find here all the information when to change it into the right color. Very cool, very nice. Great, you have found a print, but what next? How to slice it? Well, in this video right over here you can find exactly how to set up a printer and get some nice basic standard printer profile to get along with your printer and get some amazing results out of your 3D printer.